Today's video is a thrift haul video. I spent my lunch hour at Goodwill and spent a little less than $30 on 7 items. Now, 3 of those items were for my own personal use, and I will show you how I use those to decorate my home. And then 2 of the remaining 4 items have sold already, so stick around till the end of the video to see which of the items have sold. Also, at the end of the video, you will have a dose of Reseller Reality. These are questions that I receive on the daily as a reseller on eBay. This one revolves around the Postal Service and where is his package. So it's an interesting one. Stick around to see how that ends up. Okay, so I'm back with another thrift haul. I was in Goodwill for less than 40 minutes. I picked up these items for a total of $29.67, so all for under $30. Now the 3 over here, the lanterns and this basket, are for my own personal use, so we can deduct that from our total. The lanterns were $4 each, and they do have working candles with a switch on them. So again, $4 each for the candles. The basket, if you're into the farmhouse style home decor, this basket I picked up for just $3. I'm going to add these to my home decor and I may show you the end result. I added the farmhouse tray to our shelves in our bathroom, and you can see that picture here. In fact, I have pretty much decorated my entire home, remodeling 2 bathrooms and a bedroom with thrift store finds. I will link another one of those videos in the description below if you're interested. You can watch that after you finish this one. The last 4 items are for me to resell and flip for a profit online. I picked up this grunt style tank top. It was $3.75. It's red, white, and blue, so I'm going to hurry up and get this listed for the 4th of July. How's everyone doing? Hey, if you like this kind of video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It's free to do and it really helps my channel. In fact, it gets my video in front of others who may not have yet found my channel. I am trying to increase my subscriber count, so that thumbs up really helps my channel. Next up is a pair of new with tag Gloria Vanderbilt Amanda jeans. These are plus size 16 long. I paid $4.50 for these. In the back is a pair of Ariat men's denim jeans. They are a little imperfect. As you can see, the seam is a little frayed there on the behind, and there is a hole in the knee. But you can't go wrong with Ariat jeans. So I did go ahead and pick these up. $4.50 for those jeans. And lastly, we have a pair of Ariat women's jeans. These are trouser style, also a plus size. These are 34 waist. $4.50 for that. So again, I was in Goodwill for less than 40 minutes. I picked up these 7 items. These 3 items over here are for my own personal use, and the 4 clothing items I will resell. I just shared with you a thrift haul where I picked up 7 items for a total of $29.67. Now let's take a closer look at those numbers, as some of the items were for my own personal use. I spent a total of $29.67. The lanterns were $8 in total. The tray was $3. So for the remaining 4 items, my cost for those items was $18.67. Now 2 of the 4 items sold already. 1 of them fell off of my eBay listings, and the other one is still for sale. Can you guess which is what? Let's take a closer look at the items that sold. The Ariat trouser jeans for women sold for $27.04, and the buyer paid $9 priority shipping. These sold within 3 days of listing. I probably could have held out more on these Ariat denim jeans, but I was happy with the quick sale. Again, I paid $4.50 for the jeans, so my profit on that 1 pair of jeans was $18.65. The grunt style sleeveless tank top sold. I thought maybe it would sell for the 4th of July. However, it sold in August on Poshmark. I accepted an offer of $11. I did pay $3.75 for it, so by the time I paid fees and all of that, my profit was under $5 at $4.30. But I still made some money on the sleeveless tank shirt. In making this video, I realized that the Gloria Vanderbilt denim jeans that I paid $4.50 for were not listed anywhere. So I'm going to get those listed and hopefully they will appear in one of my future what sold videos. And the Ariat men's jeans still have not sold. They are available in all of my online stores, and those links to the stores are available in the description below in case anybody is interested. I am holding out on those as I do know Ariat is a highly sought after brand, especially in the Western wear. To summarize, I spent my lunch hour at Goodwill and picked up 4 items for less than $20. I've already turned that $20 investment into $47.04 by selling 2 of the 4 items. Now keep in mind, I do have the remaining 2 items, the Ariat jeans and the new with tag Gloria Vanderbilt jeans. I think each of those should sell for at least $30. So that will add on to my gross sales, but not bad for a quick trip to Goodwill during my lunch hour. Hey, if you're a reseller like me, whether it be full-time or a part-time hobby, or perhaps you want to start a new side hustle, pound that subscribe button so you don't miss my next What Sold video, and let's learn together. Now it's time for a dose of Reseller Reality. This is a new segment in my videos where I share with you some of the odd questions or situations I get myself into as an online reseller. And this one comes to us from eBay. So these pair of Nike men's golf shorts. Now they are new with tags, size 38 slim fit. I had them priced high at $30, considering they are new with tags and it is golf season. They've been listed going on 1 year. So when the offer came in of $17 plus $7 shipping, I accepted it. Great, right? I moved some old inventory, $24 total, good to go. Yeah, not so fast. I did my part and shipped the items the very next day, and a couple days later, I received this message from the buyer. Why did this purchase go from Wyoming to New York to Pennsylvania and still in transit? It says delivery 6/12. So I do check the tracking on it, and I am a bit confused by his message because the package is not in Pennsylvania. My initial reaction was, how am I supposed to know? Do I look like the Postmaster General? I have no idea why your package is in Pennsylvania, or for that matter, New Jersey. It was supposed to ship to Minnesota. Now, the fact that it landed in Salt Lake City, Utah is common. Any shipments out of Wyoming will land in Salt Lake City to Utah, but I'm unsure why it was rerouted to New Jersey in this case. How would you reply to this question from the buyer? Leave a comment below and let me know your response. I did ask my Instagram followers how they would reply to this message, and here are a few of the responses. One of my followers suggested only USPS knows why this kind of craziness happens. I've had packages go through Puerto Rico before when I lived in Louisiana and they were going to Ohio. It makes 0 sense. Another one suggested I reply with, I don't work for or control the USPS, so I couldn't tell you. You could call their customer service and ask them though. There were many more comments and suggestions on how to respond to this buyer on my Instagram page. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, please do. I'm at pieceofscrap, and I will have that link in the description below. It's really out of my hands once a package leaves my house and is picked up by the Postal Service. Short of hand delivering each and every item myself, I have no control over the delivery of an item. I knew I had to respond to the buyer, so I said, I'm seeing where it went from Wyoming to Utah, which is common. It's now in New Jersey. Unfortunately, once the package leaves my house, I have no control over the delivery. Let's give it a few days to reroute. He replied with the tracking information, which again did not say Pennsylvania, it only said New Jersey, and he did say, okay, we will wait. I checked the tracking one more time prior to making this video, and I see that it is still in New Jersey, waiting departure from the Phillipsburg, New Jersey location. So hopefully it's on its way to Minnesota after its quick trip to New Jersey. If you're interested to see if this package makes it to its final destination in Minnesota, pound that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video with this update. If you've enjoyed this video or learned something new today, pound that like button. It's the thumbs up. It really helps my channel and it tells me that I am creating great content that you guys love. I will link another What Sold in the Stack video here for your viewing pleasure. Enjoy this one as well, and I'll catch you in the next one.